Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Aussie dollar has turned down on the 4-hour time frame, but we do need to keep in mind that the monthly, weekly, and daily are definitely still in an uptrend until we get a very significant break of structure to the downside, which we obviously don't have. That just tells me that anything I see to the downside could still possibly be a pullback to the uptrend. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. If we do get a Fibonacci bounce and we do get a break to the upside, then that tells me that we better get back on the long side. If this really is actually going down and this really is a complete wave X, then it should not break up at a fib level, but instead it should continue to go down, making lower lows, lower highs, eventually giving us the break of structure. So this is where we should be looking potentially for shorts on sort of time frames, where hopefully we learn and earn whether this is going to keep going down or whether this is just a pullback within an uptrend. So on the sort of time frames, like 1 hour and below, I would definitely be waiting patiently for three-way pullbacks to go short unless that 4 hour time frame gives us a nice break to the upside. Like I said, if it does give us a break to the upside, we definitely want to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But until that happens, anything we see to the upside on the 1 hour time frame and below, we can kind of assume is likely just a pullback to this move down. Like I said, whether this move down is a wave C, which is a correction to the uptrend on the higher time frames, or whether it's a wave 3 and it's a complete trend reversal, we're just going to have to look for shorts and hopefully learn and earn at the same time while we find out. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.